All right. If you want to create clean, high-impact business presentations using Gamma AI, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. First, log into Gamma and click Create New to start a new presentation project. Next, choose the presentation option so Gamma formats your content into slides. Now enter your topic. Things like business growth strategy or quarterly report work really well. If the option is available, define your audience and goal, like pitching to investors or presenting to your team. Click Generate, and Gamma will instantly build your presentation with structured slides. Now go through each slide and refine the content. Keep it clear, concise, and results focused. Add charts, numbers, or key metrics. Yeah, this helps make your presentation more convincing. Use clean layouts, consistent colors, and simple fonts. Business presentations should look professional, not crowded. Finally, export your presentation or present directly from Gamma. Yeah, you can download it as a PDF or PowerPoint file. And that's it. Gamma makes business presentations fast, simple, and professional. Once you master it, you can create presentations in just minutes.